Hey guys, Rich Ferguson here, your favorite trickster, and today I am back with your daily dose of trickery, and I'm going to show you how to freak out your friends. All you need is a pair of scissors, secretly keep those in your pocket, borrow your friend's headphones, and this is what you do. You literally are going to pull up a small piece in the middle, take out your scissors, and right in plain sight, chop it in half, and then watch your friend completely freak out. Put this back in my hand, rub it a little bit, and hopefully, if we did it right, it becomes one full headphone again. All right guys, now for the secret, but first, please hit that like button. Let's do this. So you're just gonna need a small length of matching cord. It could be anything that's close, or if you happen to have another set of headphones that died, just use that. Put this aside, and this right here is your secret. So you have two ways you can do this. One, literally just hide this in your hand like this, and then when you grab their headphone and you bring it up to pull up the middle, don't bring up the middle. So grab their headphones, reach into your hand, and what you're gonna do is grab this instead, and then bring this loop up. And now what you're essentially doing is cutting absolutely nothing. You're cutting this small little piece of extra cord. Once you've cut it, just tuck those back into your hand, hide them in your fist, and then pull out the whole headphone, and it is restored. Meanwhile, you have these hidden in your hand. That's one way to do it. Here is a really cool, magical way to do it. What you're gonna do is get yourself some elastic cord, and on each end tie a knot and put a safety pin in it, so you can safety pin it inside your jacket, run it down your sleeve and out to the other end. And what I've done is on this end, I have put a little clip. And this just makes it really quick and easy to replace loops and different devices or things that I'm gonna hide, coins, whatever it might be. So check this out. I'm gonna attach this loop to this clip, and now I have this loop right here that I can hide on my pinky and hold it like this. So from the front, everything looks natural. I can still move and talk. And then when I borrow my friend's headphone, all I have to do is put this in my hand right here as I say, check this out. And what I'm really gonna do is this. I'm going to bring this into my hand, but what I'm secretly gonna do is leave their headphone and bring up mine. And now from the front, it'll look just like I brought that piece up. And now, of course, you cut this. And now that it's been cut, all you have to do is let this vanish up your sleeve. Poop, it's gone. As you rub what looks to be some cut pieces, bring it up and then restore it. All right guys, I have a whole bunch of length of this stretchy material, so I'll cut a few links up, stick them in envelopes, I'll send them off to 5 of you, US only, sorry guys, otherwise it's out of control. So I'll stick on a stamp on it, send it out to one of you, so I'll PM some of you, just comment down below and say you've liked and shared this video. I'll pick a random name, I'll send these off. You guys, thank you so much for the love and support, and I'll catch you tomorrow with another daily dose of trickery. Peace.